So, let's see here. I'm just going to assume that she wants these shuffled once, twice. Let's do it 3 times. Let's do it 5 times total. How does that sound? 4 times. And 5 times. I wonder where she'd like these to be cut. Let's cut them someplace right there. Trusting to the serendipity of the universe. Now we find out what is the story. Will she meet the right man? She's afraid. As long as you're feeling fearful about meeting this man, or as long as there's any preconceptions that you have about some difficulty that there might be with this man, then it'll be difficult for this to happen. Your fear is getting in the way of the pleasure principle here. Okay, so let's see what happens with this moon card here. Will you be able to get over this over a period of time? Oh, you just need the right man. Okay, there's the Knight of Pentacles. Okay, your fears are going to be totally allayed by the sudden appearance of the Knight of Pentacles. He's going to be dark and tawny man. No, he's going to be attractive. He's going to be of medium years. He's not going to be in his 60s. He might be, 40s, something like that. Not really young, not, like 20s, but something like that. Appropriate ages. And let me see. And will that relationship be the one for you, or will there be some problem? Well, there's also the King of Cups out there, eh? So, hey, you're going to have like a couple of guys. There's going to be a younger man, older man. You're going to have to choose. Are you going to choose the right one? Oh, you're going to choose the one you fall in love with, the Ace of Cups. That's beautiful. What a beautiful card. And I presume that since you're going to have this right man come into your life, I presume that you're going to get married again. Is that actually going to take place? Whoa, the Knight of Swords. Okay. Once you find the right guy, he pops the question, you're going to jump. You're going to get into that. The Knight of Swords acts fast. There's no hesitation with that. Will you regret later on having jumped into that relationship or what? Well, no. Marriage is extremely important to you, You want this relation to be validated. That marriage is going to do it. The Hierophant in the form of, the outward trappings, the formality of a marriage is extremely important for some reason with this person. You want stability, and you will get that stability. Oh my goodness, a happy homecoming. You and he will live together into probably a ripe old age. Is there anything that could come along and interrupt this marriage that could, be a problem with marriage within the first 5 or 10 years of it? No, you're going to have fun. Look, you're going to have fun. Unless the Page of Cups means that you will be distracted by perhaps a younger man. You cougar, you. No, just kidding. So the Page of Cups is a good card in that regard. What other questions do you have? You have a secret question that you can't ask me right now. Let me go for this card. Let's ask. Just think of that secret question right now. What is the answer to your secret question? And it is, I think in terms of career and matters of other matters, that's okay. But actually, let's keep on track talking about marriage and relationships. I think you're perfecting something. You're perfecting yourself as a woman. You also want to look into the future. You also want to be not just playful and having fun, but you want to be more serious, and that also will take place. So, going back over this rather quickly here, you will get over any negativity that there is from the Moon card. The Moon card shows fears. It shows the emotions. The emotions are rising up, just like this scorpion, just like this crab, and the howling dog and the wolf and everything like that. This shows fear. It's moon-based. It's only emotions. You will get over that. The right man will come along. Love will be there. You will rush ahead into a marriage, a happy homecoming. You're going to play house together, live together. And the Page of Cups means that it'd be frivolity, fun. Your house is going to be a center of probably of partying. And if there's another woman, maybe that's another woman card. Maybe there's a little bit of, I hate to say, no, you couldn't be bisexual, could you? Just a little bit. A blonde? I don't know. You don't like women, do you? No, you want to have a happy marriage, and you will have a happy marriage. A man and a woman together and with children. You're also going to raise a family. Damn, this is hot. This is good. Thank you so much. I appreciate very much your opportunity to give me this reading tonight. Thank you.